So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and change your autocorrect words on your iPhone to different words. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your iPhone settings application. So come right into your iPhone settings. Then what you want to do is you want to come scroll down until you see this general option, which is right here. So tap on general. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll until you find something like keyboard. So tap on keyboard, and then you're going to see a lot of stuff come up. What we want to focus in on is you want to go and click on this text replacement option, which shows up right here. So tap on text replacement, and all you're going to have to do is you're going to see a lot of these like words that can be transferred into other words. So this is almost like your autocorrect. For example, if you ever type in like OMW, that could be translated to on my way or FYI, anything like this, you can go ahead and basically come into here. You can make your own options if you want to change a phrase into something else. You can do that here, or you can go through and just add new words and it'll just add it here too, and it will just kind of keep it in mind. You can also click on edit in the bottom left corner if you want to go and edit up these options as well. So that is another thing you can kind of do there as well. So there's a lot of other things you can do if you want to click on keyboards. You can also change your language here. You can do all sorts of stuff too. But that's basically how you do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.